So welcome to Order to Cash module, also known as Sales and Distribution. This particular lesson and rest of the lessons in this section will deal with master data. So first question we should ask is what's data? Data in simple terms is just information. And when we say master data, it's information that's stored for long term. And we create master data so we can use information over and over. Now imagine having to do this. A customer calls in and say, I'm customer number so and you're taking an order from them. And imagine having to write their name down, write their phone number down, email address, and every other possible information about them every single time they place an order. You can see how tedious this can get and how much time it can waste for an enterprise. So this is the reason why we store master data. So if we type in one relevant information about that customer, that most of our sales order will populate or pre-populate with information that's suggested from the system. So by maintaining a master record about, let's say, for example, a customer, we avoid redundancy. We also can avoid errors, human errors that's created, because if you're typing in that address 100 times, there's probably a chance that you might miss it once or twice. So, by having a master record where it populates right onto the sales order, it keeps human errors out of the system as well. And this is why we always maintain master data. And so within order to cash in SAP, we maintain certain set of master data as well. So there are four main master data or master record we should memorize for order to cash module. And the first one we're going to talk about is customer master data. And then next one we will deal with material master data. And then third one we'll talk about conditional master data. And then fourth, output master data. And these are what's considered to be the main master data for order to cash business processes.